I'm on Homer and Levitt. That's the intersection that I live on in Chicago. I'm standing in the middle of the street. As you can see, here's a car that's got stuck. There's a cross-country skier. Further down the block, there's a car that's just stuck in the middle of the road. That thing's not going anywhere. It'd be a bad idea to try and go down Levitt. I live right down there. This is Levitt. No one has clearly tried to drive down this street at this point. It's probably a wise decision. I'm gonna head down here to this car that's stuck in the street. Looks like we probably got anywhere from 2 feet to about 700 feet of snow. It's cold. My hands are freezing. I might have to put my mittens on soon. I kind of feel bad for this person whose car just got completely stuck. I'm guessing they tried to turn down the street and failed quite miserably. But also, it's pretty awesome. I mean, look at that. That is insane. Wow. Anyway, yeah, this is clearly the worst blizzard of my life.